everyone, this is day 5 of me mastering the crease cut. Day 4 went perfectly. I loved my look. I loved everything about it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the color that's in my hair. Some greens and some blues. Someone asked me on my Instagram page if you can use concealer or base to do the crease cut, and you can use both of them, but I prefer to use base. But today, since I was asked that question, I'm going to use concealer for my crease cut, and let's see how that works out. Using the BH Cosmetics concealer that I've been using, and I think you have to be more careful. Excuse me. Whew. I think you have to be more careful when you're using concealer because it's looser and base is a little thicker. Okay, so this is the half crease with the concealer. So that eye was pretty easy. One eye is always easier than the other. So okay, I'm basically done with that. So now you have to pat it down. I've packed it down to make sure that it's nice and smooth, no cakiness. And like I said, this is a little looser, so you have to make sure that you get everything. When I did my eyebrows before I recorded, I used Rumour 4 just to lay the foundation for everything. And to do my crease cut, I used the BH Cosmetics concealer. I'm going to go back with that brush that I used here and just blend that there. So this is a shimmery blue by Bare Minerals. So I'm gonna just go on top of my blue that's already there. thinking I might have to put a darker green there because it's not getting it as dark as I want it to be. This is the Trolls collection by MAC. It was a limited edition of the Trolls pigment, a loose pigment. I'm going to use a smaller brush for this one. It's loose. So that green that I used for here is not really working out for me. Not feeling it whatsoever. So I'm going to go in with this green just to see if it helps it to look a little better than what it is looking, because I'm not liking it. Yeah, I like that much better. I'm going back over with the blue. Now, as usual, I always go do a little sweep to make sure everything is blended how I want it. You all are going to see me going back and forth, back and forth. This is because you have to make sure it's blended. So I'm going in over and over with each color just to make sure it's blended perfectly. This is real dramatic today, even though I didn't want to use that many colors. But I'm just really doing outrageous colors just so y'all can see how the crease cut is and how it's done. It's visible so you can see the lines and everything. But then again, I do love dramatic eyeshadow. I'm not really a neutral kind of person. I'm always wearing colors in my hair and everywhere else. Most hairstylists, that's what we do. We love color. Color, color, color. Trying to get rid of those harsh lines. This green is really something serious. It's really loud. Very bright. So instead of going in with my liquid eyeliner, I'm going to try my cream eyeliner. So I'm using an angle brush to do this. And as always, I always go back over just to make sure I didn't mess anything up. Now I'm going in with this shimmery white color. And then just blend it up. I'm going to be using Prime Time by Bare Minerals. There's a primer before you put your makeup on. It's clear. Now I'm applying my concealer. Now that I'm done with the concealer, it's time to apply my foundation. Okay, so this is bronzer by e.l.f. It's called Deep. We're going to go in with some more concealer to highlight under my eyes. Remember that lipstick I told you about, I think in video 2? The lipstick that I use as concealer? So that's what I'm going to use right now. So far, so good. Now I'm going to go in with the same e.l.f. that I've been using to define under my eyes. Okay, so you see the difference here and here. Okay, so I've done almost everything. Now I'm going to go in with this Sweet Tea blush. I like this blush. Now I'm going to get that white again. So now I'm all done. It took me a lot of time today. The blending of the greens and of the blues and the dark green and the light green. This one today was a little hard for me, but I made it through. I like the look. It matches my hair. I like it. And like I said, this is day 5. Tomorrow is day 6. So hopefully you all are following my journey. If you haven't seen all my videos, start from the beginning so you can see my improvement over the days. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, today was pretty rough, but the overall outcome was okay. Keep following my journey. Tomorrow is day 6. I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see everything that's going on with me. I'm going to be posting more things. I'm not just going to do makeup. Many people have asked me about my complexion. They think my complexion is so beautiful and they want to know what do I do. So be looking for that video. I deal with eczema, so I do a lot of natural things, and I use a special company that I'm not going to say right now. But when that video comes out, you can use it for dry skin or for someone who has eczema or to exfoliate. And I can't wait to do that video because I love face mask. It's a face mask recipe that I use. So be looking for my next video.